back to part 4 of Julia series. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to part 4 of Julia series. So this actually doesn't come into the jewelry category, but the accessories that we decorate our hair. So that's our hair accessories. So that I'm including in this is because it's a part of our designer thing. So that's the reason I'm going to share you all my hair accessories. I've already shooted a video. It's been like 2 years or such. So I wanted to share each and every hair accessories that I have, and I finally shooting this and super happy for it, and I hope you all like it. Let's get into the video. So hair accessories also the huge collection, as I already mentioned to you. So I'll be telling about each and everything, and I'm fully obsessed with this kind of clutches these days because they're sticking well to my hair, and also my hair is not getting disturbed whenever I keep this, whenever I go out. Because so first, looking into the basics of the clips, are this normal basic clips that you keep when you braid your hair. So these are set from Miniso. So these are recent purchase as their weddings coming up. So maybe for that purpose my mother had taken this, and some of the design on this is also there, and these all are the plain clips. So let's look into each and everything in detail. First, looking into normal basic clips that we use, and these are the kids clips. So even I used to wear this during my childhood times, and I still stored some of them now. So looking into this, there's got a crown over here, and this is a designer clips that I use it now even. And this is the other one, and these are the school clips, right? Whenever we braid our hair and tie the ribbon, we used to keep this kind of clips. And these are the designer butterfly clips to decorate your braid whenever you have the French braid or such like that. There are a set of 5, but I've lost one, so others are in this way. So all the others are normal casual clips, and there's a set that I brought it. So such a cute clips matching for every outfit. So each color is there for every outfit matching, and some of these single clips. This is my favorite clip. Such a cute one it is. So this is the first collection. So next, looking into these kind of long clutches. So I've stored it in this bowl as it looks so unique and different. So let's see what's in this box. So first clutcher is this one. So there are different kinds of clutcher like this that you can keep it. Straight clutchers. This is the first clutcher. The designer clutches with lot of stones on it. And the general purpose clutcher, purpose clip, the normal painting ones for everyday usage, we rarely use the banana clips, or else even the banana clips get included. So this is such a unique design. The shine on this is such highlighting of this one, and a bunch of flowers design. Again a stone shining one. a leaf one. So it's such a cute lip. So these are all the normal straight clutches. We're thinking why it doesn't have the banana clips. We rarely use the banana clips and we have just two of them. That's it, I guess. In another box we have the banana clips, a set of two or something like that. I'll shade that also with you guys. And this is how this look. It comes with a huge collection of clutches. So everything included in this I'll be sharing with you all. So first coming to this big clutches which are in trend now, and even I am liking this clutches very much as they are like very easy to stock in our hair, and also they hold our hair perfectly when we keep this. I can't mention about this shop such because whenever we go out we'll just grab few and come home, so I can't remember exactly where we brought which clip. at this, guys. The heaven exists here. All the gullies just assemble here. So these are the regular use rubber bands. So there's not much about to tell. There's some unique ones. I'll be sharing those with you. So there's one search. And there's some of the normal regular ways. So that's why I'm not going in detail about it. So there's one more search. And next, yeah, there are a lot of scrunchies. So I'll be sharing all the scrunchies separately, but there's one in this. That's why I'm showing you. And there's one of my favorite rubber bands for all the regular ways. And others all, this is one kind of rubber bands which are set of 3. And this is one of my favorite rubber band. And these are the recent purchases. So this kind of rubber bands. These we used to use during our childhood times, and they were again back now. And this is the other designer rubber band. So this contains all the regular ways. So now let's scrunchies are this cute box from Miniso. So let's see each and everything. Look at this. This is my favorite scrunchie among all the scrunchies. Such a cute one. And next, this is the normal scrunchie. This is actually a pack of 2. This one and this one together is one set. I'm fully obsessed with scrunchies, and my mother is fully obsessed with clutches. And that's how we get paid up and buy things, stuff when we go. Styly rubber bands. These 2 are a pair, and these are the casual rubber bands, a designer one, a normal rubber band which I showed you previously, the other stylish one, and even this one, the stylish one. And this one is my favorite. I showed you the purple one, and this is the pink one in that, the same design. And this one is also such a cute, pretty one. I really like these shades of brown. They look really pretty for any outfit. And there comes one more designer. So coming to my headbands, these I used to use in my childhood times and not now, but I've stored them like that only. So let's look into it. So there are also certain varieties of headbands. Those times we used to even keep for our schools, right? So that's the reason I have. And this is my favorite headband with the cute little flower on it. And the one more polka dots pink headband. One is this pink headband, just the normal pinkish shade. Geometry shaped headband. This is one of the recent purchases, and I look at this designing, guys. Plain headband, and this is a kind of braided design headband. And the most common, and every girl has this accessory at her home. We used to keep this for our schools, right? So yeah, that's it on my headband collection. So guys, that's about my hair accessories video, and I showed you each and every hair accessories that I have. I hope you all liked it, and stay tuned for the last part of the jewelry series. and I'll be uploading it very soon. I hope you all like this video and enjoy it. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos, and also click the bell icon so which video uploaded get the evening notification. Bye guys, let's meet next week with a new video. Until then, bye bye, take care, love you all. Bye.